Hello, in this video we show you how to remove the headlights on Volkswagen Golf 5. To remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the bumper, we need to remove the two wheels first to make it easier to remove the undershoot. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the undershoot to the bumper. If the video is useful, consider giving the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Next, we remove this bolt that holds the bumper to the wing, and the same on the other side. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the grille to the car, and we remove the grille. And now we have access to the other bolts, which are one on the right there and one on the left. And after we remove these last two bolts, we can take out the bumper. The only thing left to remove the bumper completely is to remove the couple of connectors. Now we're gonna remove the three bolts that hold the headlights so that we can remove the headlights. After we remove the headlight, there is a connector that we need to disconnect to remove the headlight completely.